Okay, so we had one recent adopter. I won't mention his name, baka
Sige
hindi
pa,
gusto.
okay. Sige pa.
But he lives in Pampanga.
Okay.
So he would come here. Well, first of all, he came here, and then he looked at the dogs and he picked out one of our retired canines. And we interviewed him. He seemed like a very good and experienced dog person naman. He has a big house in Pampanga, and he says he can take care of dogs. So what we did next was we asked him, we invited him again to come here with, kasi apart from his wife, he had like a brother-in-law and a nephew yata living with him. So we asked them all to come over. So they went in, they came over, and they played with yung kanilang chosen dog. We did that for maybe 1 or 2 times. But after that, we were comfortable that he would be okay and the dog would be okay with him. So we proceeded with that. Ang gusto namin, syempre, ultimately, yung benefit ng dog ang priority namin. So they need to be able to take care of the dog. So what does that mean? Kailangan yung may place, right?
Place
yung dog, place na pwedeng magpahinga, matulog, mga ganyan. Senior dogs are not as active as yung mga younger dogs. So yung space requirement is not as much. But they do need sometimes medical assistance or medical attention because kasi senior na nga. So most typical, we experience some of the canines who have issues with the joints, eyesight, liver, kidney, mga ganyan. Well, of course, as opposed to dogs that you will find in rescue centers, these dogs are trained.
Yes.
So basic commands, most of them will still remember. Some of them are really good at other parang commands as well kasi natatandaan pa nila.